Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the no alarm sound issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open the clock app. Now after opening the clock app, click on this three dot more icon and then click on settings. Now in settings, here you will see a silence alarms when system sound is off button. So if you have turned on this button, then turn it back off, and after turning off this button your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is open settings, scroll down and click on notifications. Now in notifications, click on do not disturb. Now here click on alarms and sounds, and here you will see a alarms button. So turn on this button, and after turning on this button the alarm sound issue will be resolved. But if you are still facing the problem, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and from here open the clock app. Now go to the storage of clock app and then clear the app data and cache memory of clock app. So to clear the cache memory, click on clear cache, and to clear the app data, click on clear data, and then here again click on clear data. Now click on this clear option here to confirm, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem and any solution is not fixing your problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down to the end and here click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after doing this your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.